You can order the left side HVAC Blend Door actuator used in the video on the CarParts.com website via the link in the description. Turn your engine off and set the parking brake. Open the door. The Blend Door actuator is located under the steering wheel to the right. To access it, you need to remove the plastic panel located under the steering wheel. Using a Phillips screwdriver, loosen the screw holding the panel on the lower left corner. You can now pull on the plastic panel to disengage it from its slot. To remove it completely, disconnect the various plugs that power the various switches on the panel. Then remove the panel. Next, you need to remove the lower panel. Pull on it to unclip it. You can now see the left side HVAC Blend Door actuator. Using a Phillips screwdriver, unscrew the two lower retaining screws of the actuator. Slide the screwdriver from above to unscrew the upper screw of the actuator.
Hey, it's Alex from CarParts.com. If you enjoy this video and want to support us, like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, back to work.
Once unscrewed, you can remove the Blend Door actuator from its slot. Disconnect the actuator. To do this, push on the tab and pull on the connector. You will find the HVAC Blend Door actuator used in the video on the CarParts.com website via the link in the description. Using a small Phillips screwdriver, loosen the two screws holding the metal bracket of the Blend Door actuator in order to reinstall it on the new part. Screw the metal bracket back onto the new actuator. If it is not supplied with the new actuator, retrieve the plastic lever from the old actuator and install it on the new one. The preparation of the new part is now complete. Put the Blend Door actuator back in place by properly positioning the two lever pins in their guides. While holding the actuator, screw one lower retaining screw back on. Then screw the two remaining retaining screws back on. Plug the electrical connector back in. The installation of the new part is now complete. Put the lower panel back in place. Reconnect the switch connectors to the panel. Then, retighten the retaining screw. Operation complete.